Welcome, my friends, to my cooking channel. This is Cuisinease with Chef Jacqueline. This is where you can learn to make dynamic meals using simplistic ingredients. I will introduce you to world fusion cuisines using a palette with foods from cultures such as Jamaican cuisine, English, Chinese, Italian, French, and so much more. I will guide you into creating your own personal cuisine or weight loss or just healthy eating, immune building lifestyle. You can even book one-on-one sessions with me. Visit cuisinease.co.uk. So let's get started. Something new, something different, something exciting is coming your way today. Enjoy. So today we'll be doing Ackee and Saltfish, Jamaican Ackee and Saltfish. It's actually the national dish of Jamaica. Now we can't get the Ackees fresh over here, so I have to get them in the tin, right? But I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the history of the Ackee. I'll be showing you what it looks like and how to put the dish together. This dish is actually keto and paleo healthy, right? Whatever diet or eating plan you're on, you can actually do Ackee and Saltfish. Low in carbs, high in protein. One of the best dishes that I've ever tasted, Ackee and Saltfish. So there is this beautiful, beautiful fruit, Ackee. It's really a fruit. And the Ackee, or the botanical name is Bligia sapida, is a tropical fruit belonging to the Sapindaceae family. It has its origins in West Africa, but has traversed the Atlantic Ocean, making the Caribbean, where it grows widely and is also cultivated, its home. The colloquial name Ackee is derived from the terms Anke and Ackee fofoyo, which are used to describe the fruit in West Africa. It was named Bligia sapida, Bligia sapida, in honor of the infamous Captain William Bligh, who transported the fruit from Jamaica to England in 1793. This dish, Ackee and Saltfish, is the Jamaican national dish. A wonderful dish. I can't stop saying it so many times, At least once a week, I've got to have Ackee. I haven't found anywhere in England that I can get the fresh Ackee supplied yet, but maybe one day I will. Alright, so for right now, I'm enjoying the tinned Ackee. I found a very good brand in Sainsbury's, and it actually tastes so fresh and tastes like the fresh Ackees I have from home. Well, so I'm just, without further ado, again, I'm going to show you how to put the dish together. It's such a simple dish. Let's put it together now. So here is how we treat the tinned Ackees here. We need to get them out of the tin, of course. No matter how many tin cutters I get, this is my safe one that I use, alright? Get it off. And then you've got to drain it off. Drain off the liquid that's there. Now, there we go. There's our Ackee ready for cooking. And then we need to treat the Ackee by pouring a little warm water all over it. That would be about a cup of warm water, okay? Here's our next step. We actually have the codfish, salted codfish, which we soaked overnight. We have it boiling in a pot of water to get out the saltiness, and then after that we're going to pick it, remove the bones and the skin, but I'll be showing you all of that, okay? So we're boiling it. We're going to boil it for say about 5 minutes in the water. So we have everything together before we start our cook. There is the pot, the Madochi Mr. Dochi. It came all the way from Jamaica. It gives my food extra special flavor. And there in the pot is some coconut oil, because Jamaican cuisine we usually use coconut oil. Be careful though, as I told you in one of the other episodes, that the coconut oil you get all of the place is not the authentic coconut oil. You got to do research and find the one that is true coconut oil, and it's not something that's diluted, it's shortening. So I have everything ready to do the cook now. I have the akes, which were drained, right? I have the seasonings, which is onion and tomatoes, and some, it's like, I'll give you the amounts though. It's tomatoes, lots of tomatoes, 1 large onion sliced. There's 1 peg of garlic. I didn't start using garlic until recently in my ackee and saltfish. And there's 1 chili pepper there because I'm out of scotch bonnets, right? And I also have my saltfish. Remember we had the saltfish earlier, which was, I picked it up and I deboned it, removed the skin and all of that, okay? And then we have some black pepper that just fell over, so I have to get some more black pepper. Right, where is the black pepper? Here is the black pepper. Right, so we have everything we need, and the pot is heating, ready to start our cook for ackee and saltfish. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, the oil is hot enough. We're going to be adding the onions, the tomatoes, the garlic, and so forth and so on, the garlic and the chili. And we're going to cook that. Of course, I should be holding on to my dochi so that it doesn't roll around. We're going to cook that until the onions are transparent and the tomatoes are a bit cooked, alright? That will take about 5 minutes. So there we have our onions and our tomatoes cooked. Next we're going to add our saltfish, right? And we're just going to stir that around for about 2 minutes. We had it, as I said, that we had it soaking and we boiled it and then removed the skin and all the not seeds. We don't have seeds, but the bones in the saltfish. Yes, remember I tell you, we do real life here on this channel. So I don't want to remove some of the bloopers. Like yesterday, I did the fried rice and I don't know why the video had stopped, right? Before I added the rice. Anyway, it's a good thing I took a picture of it with the rice in the wok, right? So there goes our saltfish. Then we're finally going to add our ackee. And we just need to stir that around. I don't want the ackee to be broken up, right? So just enough, because remember we had treated it already with the hot boiling water. Just enough so that it can melt together. And then we're just going to add a little bit of black pepper. There we go. And there goes our ackee and saltfish, the Jamaican national dish. Try it, you like it. So as I told you before, ackee and saltfish is actually suitable for any diet that you want. So you can use it whether you're doing paleo or keto, because keto and paleo are low carb, alright? So today I've actually done our keto composition. It's low carb, but it's also low in fats. Keto is high fat, but this is low fat. So here I've combined it with tomato slices. I've combined it with some wilted spinach and some salmon fillets that were grilled. Enjoy it, my friends. See you soon again.